Welcome to your piano lesson. If you're here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch an introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link in the description below. If you like the content of my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'm aiming to publish 2 weekly tutorials. Now let's dive into the lesson. And today I want to finally show and explain the brother or the sister, if we want, of the previous chord progression, the very famous one. It was 6th, 4th, 1st, 5th. Obviously today I am going to show you the one where I simply inverted the position of the last two chords. Is anyway 6th, 4th at the beginning, but instead of being 1st, 5th, will be 5th, 1st. If you have watched all the previous tutorials, you should know what I mean, how I've been working, how I have explained all these chord progressions, and why 24 chord progressions by using just 4 chords. But let's dive into the lesson to understand even more what I'm talking about. And this is the chord progression that we are going to discover today. So, I already confirmed the 6th at the beginning 6 times. Now I'm going to simply copy the 4th. In this way you see that, as I always do, as usual, I confirm twice the 2nd chord, same as I did with the 1st. And now I'm going to invert just the last 2. First at the 3rd place, 1, 2, 3, and then the 1st at the end. And this is indeed, as I said, like the brother or the sister of these very famous one. This one is the one that I published last week by itself, the very famous one. Let's now see how it sounds. As usual, we keep the left hand in the same position, 3rd finger on the A, little finger on F, thumb on the C, 4th on the G. We start from the root position, and the first one will sound. Let's analyze together. Obviously the sound of this one is completely different than the other one. So from A minor to F major, same as we said in the other one, we hold down A and C, move E up to F. Now from F to G, no notes in common because they are 1 second apart, the notes of the bass, and we apply the contrary motion. You go down with the right, looking for the closest position. That is the G major in the root position. Then from G to C, hold down the G and move up the B and D to C and E. Let's start from the first inversion. As usual, we can have 2 different positions of the hand. Let's start from this one. From the higher C. For the analysis, I'm taking the hand back to the middle C. So from A minor to F major, we hold down C and A, move E up to F. From F major to G major, no notes in common, right hand going down, contrary motion. From G to C, hold down the G and move the B and the D up to the C and the E. From the second inversion, A minor to F major, we hold down A and C, move E up to F. Now from F major to G major, contrary motion, bass up, right hand notes down, closest position. From G to C, you hold down the G and move D and B up to E and C. Let's apply a little bit of rhythm. From first inversion. As usual, we can play also 1 octave higher. From second inversion. I really hope you have enjoyed the sound of this one as well. I really hope you have enjoyed the lesson, that also this one sound nice for you. I invite you, as usual, to find all the songs using these specific chord progressions. Once you have identified, it would be fantastic if you write in a comment if you found them, which ones you think they are. Remember that the development of this project is big. I will explain so many other things, from rhythm patterns to be used, to even more chords or different ways of playing the same chords, and then different ways of using the left hand or the right hand, different accompaniment style, comping, as you like to call. So the best is yet to come. Just one more thing to mention: if you have really enjoyed my tutorial, and if you are really enjoying my tutorials, I would really appreciate if you mind the new super thanks button that you find underneath. It's very easy to be found. It's either visible or you can find it clicking on the three dots. If you're really appreciating my content, my videos, if you enjoy this tutorial and all the tutorials that I have on my YouTube channel, and you want to support me, I would really appreciate. I hope that you understand how much work there is behind every single tutorial, because it's not only about filming or playing. The editing process is quite time consuming, and then the upload and the editing of the description and all is behind the video itself, the setting, the YouTube setting. It's quite time consuming. I'm doing with all my heart because I really love what I do. Music is my life, and probably you understood how much passion I really put into all I do. So your super thanks would be really appreciated. Thank you very much. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. All the best.